Okay, guys, we were waiting for this employment data with bated breath. The number came out slightly bullish, even with an upward, a bullish revision, and we've had a muted response. So, what that usually tells me is when we get a muted response to what seemingly, I guess, should be a bullish response, that's a bearish sign. Right? Just like if we get a muted response to a bearish symbol. We've said this before with earnings, right? If you ever heard us talk about an earnings play, if you've got a stock that comes in and negative earnings, everything's bad, and the stock is trading up, it's not a short, it's a long. Right? Same type of approach, at least for the open, is we were expecting this to be a 10-point plus move on the futures if this news came out. And instead, we got 1, maybe. So, couldn't it be a game? Can they be baiting the shorts? The answer is yes, they could be, but they did a lot of that yesterday also. More likely, the expectation is we're going to take one leg down. So, what I'm expecting to see is we're going to take one leg down. The market's going to try to defend itself. Eve's discussing levels 9,500, which extends all the way to 9,483. So basically, in that area, it's going to try to defend itself. If the market can defend itself in those areas, it will spike up. Now, if it spikes up and we go positive and we run 8 points or 7 points, short into that. Okay? If it can't defend it and it keeps breaking down, it's got 100 points on the downside from here to go. If it bounces, again, if it keeps bouncing up, you want to see if it's making lower highs or higher lows. That's going to be your determination whether you're getting long or whether you're getting short. So it's a day there should be lots of things to do. It should be busy, surely in the morning, all morning long, and probably in the afternoon also. So, look for these big moves. Look to see if the market has any weakness or any strength in it, right? And get in. Don't be afraid to trade. Today's a day you're going to want to trade. You should have volatility at least in either direction. Like I said, I was expecting it to be strong. I'm not seeing the strength. If I'm not seeing the strength, to me that's akin to weakness. Okay? So good luck. Trade it. Look, you've got some sectors that have news. Monsanto is down very, very big this morning. Oil seems to be indicating up. So the oil stocks are trading up. I'm probably going to look to fade the oil stocks off of the open based upon that. Procter had strong news and is trading up as well. So, keep your eyes on on the individual plays, but look to the whole market. Look to see if we can hold these levels. So far, right now, what they're doing pre-market is they're just not moving. We ran up maybe 3 points, and slowly it's pulling itself down. And every time it's trying to make a bit of a move up, it falters and it falls down a little more. So use it to the best of your advantage. I would play that first move down. It doesn't mean you're going to hold it all day. It means you're playing for the move, right? And when the market tells you it's time to get out, and don't be afraid to flip, because I think we're going to have big spikes both directions.
Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da.